Are you preparing for a move abroad and don't know where to start? Well, you start with the foundation. You start with the purpose of the move. What do you want to accomplish? What is your vision for moving and living in a new place in foreign lands? How do you want to be? How do you want to feel? How will this move affect all areas of your life? Your health, your family, your career, your finances, your education, your relationships, your friends. Once you know how this move will affect everything and how it is aligned with your overall goals, well, then everything is smooth sailing. If you'd like more tips like these, check out the Unlock Your Move Abroad guide. It's right down here and it's free. So just click below and get your guide for more tips like these.